This is a comparison video between three popular printing methods that's commonly used for t-shirt printing: Mutoh print and cut solution, OKI transfer solution, and Mutoh dye sublimation. We will be talking about the business opportunities, differences between these technologies, limitations and capabilities of the machine that you will be investing on in case you start with these printing methods, and of course, advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with Mutoh print and cut solutions. Mutoh's VJ628 24-wide eco-solvent printer can be used not only on t-shirt but also can be used on efficiently creating and customizing a variety of products such as stickers, decals, indoor and outdoor banners, signages, and many more. Wide variety of applications is a great factor that can consider when buying printers. But we will be focusing more on their limits when it comes to t-shirt printing. Print and cut is perfect for both starters and professionals. If you use a printer and cutter like VJ628 and VZ600, its compact size will save you a lot of space. That will be an easy business setup. Just get this duo and a heat press, then you're good to go. Let's talk about OKI transfer solution. OKI Pro 9541 is a CMYK plus white laser printer that allows you to print designs with a solid white underbase on a sensitive coated media, often called an A sheet or transfer sheet, that increases your flexibility to print in any color of your garment, light or dark. White toner transfer is a flexible way to create customized items. It's not only good for textile printing, but it can be used for promotional goods such as mugs, glasses, coasters, and many more. OKI Pro 9541 is a toner-based printer, and that means less maintenance, making it a good investment for beginners or even for professionals. The last one is Mutoh dye sublimation. For promotional goods like indoor and outdoor banners, flags, pennants, and many more, a sublimation with RJ900X is normally the first choice because of its vibrant colors, promising washability, and a wide variety of large format applications. Sublimation requires you to use a special sublimation ink when printing your design and use heat press to let the material absorb the ink to be part of the substrate. Large format sublimation is perfect if you're thinking to print patterns to be sewn for a sports jersey. Sublimation will allow you to print jerseys for a whole basketball team effortlessly. Design, print, and stitch. Plus, one man is enough to do the whole sublimation process, and that can definitely save your time and money for manpower. Dye sublimation allows you to print complicated designs that will have much higher quality. Better quality is equal to higher profit. Now that you have an idea how these three methods work, check this out to see an honest rating about each other's capabilities. Both can really print good and dark garments. Let's leave it blank for dye sublimation because dye sublimation can print on white and light garments. Weeding takes time, and because Mutoh dye sublimation and OKI transfer solutions doesn't require that, we're giving it a perfect 5. On the other hand, Mutoh print and cut solutions VJ628 is capable of printing directly onto eco-solvent transfer vinyl that is commonly used in garment decoration, and it might require you to do the weeding depends on your design. When printing on polyester, 4-star would be enough for both Mutoh print and cut and OKI transfer. Yes, you can print on polyester or polyblends, but dye migration is a common issue. Mutoh dye sublimation is on top of its game when printing on polyester. That's why it's widely used in printing polyester-made sportswear and activewear by garment shops. Print and cut solution is flexible when it comes to the type of fabric material. Same goes with OKI transfer solution. These two can print on cotton, and doesn't matter if it's light or dark colored fabric. Here, we won't be giving any point for dye sublimation. For print and cut and OKI transfer solution, the hand feel depends on the techniques that you apply and sometimes depends on your actual design. But both technologies can produce durable outputs and great hand feel. That's why we're giving 4 stars for both. 5-star for dye sublimation. Your design is printed as if it's part of the fabric, leaving you no hand feel. Mutoh RJ900X dye sublimation printer allows you to print fluorescent colors, and that deserves a 5-star.
If you
you want to cover your garment fully with your design, there's only one among these three that's capable of doing that, and that is Mutoh dye sublimation. Washability depends on how you take care of the garment, but we're giving Mutoh Print and Cut and OKI Transfer 4-star because both can print good durable output that has high washability. Perfect 5 for dye sublimation because its washability lasts and won't fade even after countless of washes. When printing on ready-made garments, it's perfect 5 for each technology. It just depends on you. In conclusion, these are all worth it for you to have in your printing business. It just depends on your need and application that you're going to use for each technology for. Once you start with one printing technology, it's a good start until you end up using and applying all the technologies and techniques that you learn. Using and familiarizing these methods will not only help you as you grow, but understanding the versatility of each technology. It can also help you to decide what you need if you haven't decided yet. I hope you're able to learn a thing or two from this video. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texcraft.com.